If you want to edit photos like a pro right from your phone, Lightroom Mobile is one of the best apps to learn. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to use Lightroom Mobile to edit photos step by step, from importing your image to exporting the final result. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy editing tutorials. All right, let's jump in. First, open Lightroom Mobile and import your photo. Tap the plus icon in the bottom right corner, then choose the image or images you want to edit from your device. Once your photo is loaded, tap it to open the editing workspace. Now let's start with the most important part, lighting. Tap the Light tab to adjust exposure, contrast, highlights, and shadows. A great first move is usually lowering the highlights so bright areas don't look blown out, then lifting the shadows to bring back detail in darker parts of the image. After that, you can fine-tune exposure if the photo still feels too bright or too dark. Small adjustments go a long way here, so try to keep the edits natural. Next, move to the Color tab. This is where you control the overall mood of the photo. Use temperature to make the image warmer or cooler, and use tint to fix any green or magenta color cast. If you want more precise control, open Color Mix. This lets you edit specific colors one by changing their hue, saturation, and luminance. That's especially useful if you want blues to look richer, greens to look softer, or skin tones to feel more balanced. After that, go into Effects. Here you can add texture, clarity, and dehaze to make your photo pop. Texture is great for bringing out fine detail without making the image too harsh. Clarity adds mid-tone contrast, which can make the photo feel sharper and more defined. Dehaze is useful if your image looks foggy or washed out. Just be careful not to overdo these sliders, because too much can make the photo look unnatural. If you want even more sharpness, head over to the Detail tab. This is where you can sharpen the image and improve fine details. Use it lightly, especially if you're editing portraits, because too much sharpening can make skin look rough. Now let's talk about cropping and composition. Tap the crop icon to trim your photo and improve the framing. You can also change the aspect ratio here, like 4:5 for Instagram or other common social media sizes. If the horizon is crooked or the image needs straightening, use the geometry tools to fix the alignment and clean up the perspective. Another really helpful feature is profiles. Profiles give your photo a quick style or look before you even start manual editing. They're great if you want a fast creative direction. You can also use presets for pre-configured edits that instantly change the style of your image. This is perfect when you want a consistent look across multiple photos. If you want to edit only part of the image, tap Selective Masking. This allows you to make adjustments to just one area instead of the whole photo. For example, you can brighten a subject, darken the background, or enhance the sky without affecting everything else. It's one of the most powerful tools in Lightroom Mobile once you get comfortable with it. Before you finish, tap and hold on the image to compare the before and after view. This helps you see exactly how much your edits improve the photo. If something feels too strong, just go back and adjust the sliders a little more. When you're happy with the result, tap the share icon in the top right corner and choose Export to save the photo to your device. And that's it. You've now learned how to use Lightroom Mobile to edit photos quickly and professionally. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more beginner-friendly editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.